Changing the GPS location on your iPhone has become a necessity for many reasons. However, when you upgrade your iPhone to iOS 18, many location spoofers won't work. Don't worry, I'm introducing you to a free location changer that works with iOS 18. That's iMoveGo, a fake GPS tool that supports iOS 18 and doesn't require jailbreaking. First, download iMoveGo on your computer. Then connect your iPhone via data cable or Wi-Fi. Let's start with how to change your location. Search here or click on the map where you want to go. Click on Move. See? Your location has changed. All location-based apps on your phone will now recognize this new location. If you're using this for a game, simulating GPS movement is key. iMoveGo offers 3 movement modes. First is the single-point model. After selecting a destination, iMoveGo will automatically plan a route for you. Set the speed. Click Move. You're in the middle of a preset route. Then there's the multi-point model. This mode lets you customize your route by adding multiple stops along the way. Once again, set your speed and you're good to go. Finally, there's the joystick mode. Control your movement freely using your mouse or keyboard. Switch 360 degrees in any direction. This mode is especially popular with AR gamers. iMoveGo also has a version of the app that doesn't require a computer connection, plus even more powerful features for you to explore. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.